y'all, it's Laura and I have my December daily album complete. I'm really excited to show you guys what's in here. It is a little bit chunky and has all these lovely little pieces of ribbon and twine out the top, which I adore. So it is a little overfull, but this is a nice big album from Felicity Jane, so it can handle it. Alrighty, let's dive right in. I do have process videos up for every single page, so I'm not going to go into a ton of detail about how I made them. First, I have my reason why on a little tag inside of this pocket. And I did print the majority of my journaling in the Project Life app, and I do have a tutorial for that in the playlist for December Daily 2018, which is in the description box below. So here's my first page, just some acetate to open up the album. Have a pocket page for day 1, and really like how this one came out. This is pretty bulky, this little felt tree, but it just fits perfectly in that spot. I did have a variety of numbers throughout the album. So you've got another pocket page and then a little insert with an extra photo and my journaling on the back. Another pocket page with a wood veneer on the outside and puppy sticker on the outside, just to add a little texture. This one has jingle bells tied onto a piece of twine. And then this is my first interactive element. And it opens up this little tree. How cute is that? My friend Sharon suggested that, and I thought it was a brilliant idea, so I definitely had to give it a go. And then I have a little hidden photo and my journaling on the back of the photo. There we go. And the next page is just this really nice little decorative page. I did a couple of these in the album and I really enjoyed this. It allowed me to use up some of the trickier ephemera like these little animals and this little cut file that was in my advent calendar from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. Day 5, we have these little flip flaps with my hidden journaling underneath. And because these are printed on Canon selfie paper, these photos, they do not show fingerprints, they do not fade, they are excellent for mini albums like this. Day 6, I have this really cute 6x8 layout of my daughter Chloe playing at church. And then we have this lovely little pocket that holds all of my kids' Christmas wish lists that I had them fill out for me. I do believe the printable for that is in the comments of that video, or not the comments, the description of that video. Got a little shaker pocket with some sequins inside. And then on the back, we have another pocket with a couple of tags with photos inside and journaling on the back. This one's a bit of a puzzle. You put it together to read the journaling. So I thought that would be fun for my kids. And they are layered, they're different sizes, so when they sit in the pocket, you can see that there's 2. And then we have another acetate piece. These did not come in this year's Felicity Jane kit. I have picked up some extra ones from last year. And then for day 9, I have this really cool portfolio. This is from Graphic 45, and I actually received it in a grab bag of some kind, but I made it work. It was in my stash and needed to use it, right? So I've got gingerbread chaos, I've got lots of photos in here. Definitely treated this just like a mini album. Heavy decorations, plenty of journaling, got some tags at the top, and the journaling on the back. Love these pockets. And I have a 6x8 layout on the back of our visit to Santa Claus. And here is day 10. I have a little note, little Facebook post that I made to the Santa Claus, to his daughter actually, and just kind of thanking him for being so great with my girls. And on the back is for day 11. I have this really cute set of photos of my twins baking cookies. And then day 12, I have a cute little glassine envelope in this pocket page with journaling. Now because it's glassine, you can see through it and don't really need to pull it out, but you could if you wanted to. On the opposite side, we have some family photos, and I made a little shaker up in the corner with this is one of my Advent gifts, was this shaker. And then this pocket page has a couple of things. This is from Christmas Day, but I was telling the story about my sweet aunt who made this wonderful gift for my husband. And then day 15, my daughter had a Christmas party at her Scouts, and so I have a little bit of journaling about that. Here is our favorite movies from this year. And so this is just a little door that opens up, has our favorite movies and some journaling and a photo of us sitting on the couch. On the back of that, we have a little tag with a funny photo of our friend and some journaling from a party that my husband and kids went to. Day 18 is a shaker page. This has a bunch of glitter inside. It has 2 photos, and this was an insert that came in the Felicity Jane kit. On the back, I just made a 6x8 flip out, so it flips up and out. Very simply embellished so that it stays pretty flat and doesn't take up too much space. Then we have a 6x8 layout about hot cocoa. We don't drink coffee, and well, my husband does, but the rest of us don't drink coffee. So our favorite choice of hot drink is hot cocoa. And then another 6x8 layout on the other side. This one has the wood veneer 21. I did switch up numbers quite a few times throughout the album. And this is documenting the story of my daughter's fascination with the decorations. Day 22, we have a flip up. Got a little stuck there. There's a little washi on there, I think. A little flip up and journaling on the outside. Day 23, we have flip ups with lots of extra photos. And then we also have a pocket page. This was celebrating with my family for Christmas. And so there were a lot of photos from there and a little bit of more journaling. And then we have an acetate, la 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 la, and a full 6x8 page photo of our tree with the 24 with Nouveau on top. And this lovely 6x8 of our stockings from day 24 as well. Day 25 is just this little pocket. It has a photo in the front, 2 photos here, and then it has on the back, see if I can get hold of it. There we go. I actually may have to take this out because of the way the holes had to be punched. This album had 6 holes, which had its ups and downs. This one has a little fold out with photos on both sides. So again, all of these pages are in the playlist that I will link in the description box below, as well as the unboxing for the kits. You can see everything that I was starting with. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I'd love to know what you think of my interactive December daily this year. I definitely think I enjoy the interactive bits more than the pocket pages, though the pocket pages are pretty quick. So that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And until next time, bye.